Hi everyone and welcome to Homehead Chef. I'm Chef Tony and today I'm going to be showing you how I like to make potato latkes. These are a hearty, crispy style potato pancake. They do go by several names. They are served sometimes with a sour cream sauce or applesauce, whatever you choose, but let's step up to the cutting board and see what we need. For this recipe, we are going to need 1 pound of russet potatoes that have been washed and peeled and ran through a grater. And we're going to squeeze out some of the water from those as well. We're also going to need 1 onion, and we're going to run it through the grater as well. We're also going to need a pinch of salt and pepper, 3 tablespoons of flour, 1 medium egg, and a little bit of oil for frying. Once our potatoes have been peeled or washed and peeled, we're just going to grate these into a large bowl. Next, we're going to go in with our onion as well. Now I suppose you could skip this step if you want to use frozen hash browns. I think going fresh is better. But what we're going to do now is we're going to squeeze any excess liquid out of these. You can use a paper towel, you can squeeze them by hand, cheesecloth, whatever you have on hand. Then in with our egg, we're going to get that thoroughly mixed up as well. Next goes in the flour. Going to get that thoroughly incorporated also. Salt and pepper, get that mixed in, and now head over to the stove. In a large skillet, we're going to heat up 2 tablespoons of your oil of choice. I'm going with vegetable oil, but you do want an oil that has a higher smoke point. Now with clean hands, we're going to form a little pancake with them. Now we don't want these too thick or they're not going to thoroughly cook. We're going to place it down in the oil. We're going to cook it 3 to 4 minutes per side or until golden brown. Time to flip. Perfect. Another 3 to 4 minutes. These are looking perfect. We're going to set them aside over here on another plate that has a paper towel to catch the excess oil. Now if you want, you can store these in the oven on a low temp just to keep them warm. But I'm going to cook up the rest of these and I'm going to show you how to plate them. And when it comes to plating, I like to keep it simple. You can stack them, spread them around, put applesauce or a dill sour cream or regular sour cream. I'm just going to run these right around the edge of the plate right here. Kind of shingled. Serve it with a little bit of sour cream with chives. Now let's get a taste. Let's dig in. I'm going for a straight bite first without any sauce. Hopefully you can hear that. Nice and crispy. The inside looks perfectly done. Those are so good. The onion's there, but it's not overpowering. That's a nice compliment to the potatoes. It's crispy. The inside is light and fluffy and perfectly done. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If so, please hit that thumbs up button. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.